Theologian Howard Thurman said, "Don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and go do that. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive." Your mission is to think of something that makes you come alive. Do you enjoy building stuff and working with your hands? Do you like cooking and making creative desserts? Are you infatuated with cars? Are you curious about computer coding? Do you have an obsession with Russian literature? Your mission is to write about something that makes you come alive and explain why you enjoy doing that activity. The tricky thing about pinpointing our passions is that we are individuals. There are things you like to do that others don't, and vice versa. The trick is to learn how to follow your heart and the hints it gives you, while also recognizing the unique passions of others. So get thinking and write about something that makes you come alive. Then, explain what it is about that activity that you like.